Everyone thought he was poor, until the day he never came back to work. Ronald had been a janitor at the same office for nearly 18 years. Quiet, wore the same shoes, ate alone, never late, never loud. To most people, he was invisible. But what no one knew was that Ronald was playing a long game. While his coworkers spent $5 a day on snacks or coffee, Ronald made a different move. He invested that exact $5 every single day. Not in crypto, not in trending stocks, just a simple, low-cost S&P 500 ETF. Boring, but steady. He didn't try to outsmart the market, he just stayed in it. Now, here's where it gets interesting. $5 a day equals $150 a month. $150 a month invested for 18 years with 10% average annual return grows to over $350,000. That's what compound interest does when you don't interrupt it. And by year 18, his portfolio was generating more than $2,800 a month in dividends and growth, more than his monthly salary. So one Tuesday morning, he clocked in, cleaned his last floor, and quietly walked out forever. No farewell, no celebration, just freedom, earned $5 at a time. People at the office were shocked. Did he get fired? Did he win something? Where'd he go? They never found out, because Ronald didn't need anyone's permission to disappear. He had already earned it. Now the question is, what are you doing with your $5 today? Spending it to fit in, or using it to buy your freedom? Because Ronald wasn't lucky. He was just consistent, and no one saw it coming. If you found this story even a little eye-opening, imagine what's coming next. This channel might be new, but it's built with one mission: to bring you the most valuable, relatable finance stories that anyone from any background can learn from. So if you want content that actually helps you think, save, and grow your money, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around. You won't need flashy gurus, just stories that work.